Hello guys, today I will pick the Basi lock from Euro cylinder from Michael in Germany, um, because I will soon mail some locks to him, and I will get his Euro cylinder back to him. The key look like that, and before picking it I will show you what will be inside the package. Maybe I will do with better keys, but it's the quick set signature deadbolt. So we have the working key. There is no C-clip. I will form one for you. And there is the control key. It's just you just have a notch right here. So when you turn the key to this position, you can remove the cylinder from the housing. So you can rekey it without having to just remove the deadbolt from the door. Pretty clever. So I will send that to you. Plus the Dominion lock made in Canada. 6-pin lock with the key. Worked pretty smooth. Now I will pick the Basi lock. I use bottom of the keyway. Tension, and I will use an half diamond. Moderate tension. It's just a Y1 keyway, so it isn't too bad. Ah, and I forgot. I will just send back your steel blank, the bump key I made, and your bump key, along with obviously the key of the cylinder. I will switch to top of the keyway. Sometimes it's just a game. Ah, here we go. Picked open. I had to release the tension a little bit. Maybe I overset something, but now it's picked. Oh, my tension wrench fly out. So now I will get this, since it's been so quick. And now that I got better lighting to show the pins better, and that I also upload in HD, so it helps to see the pins too. Ouch! Crap! I will lock it back up. It will be less reckless. So the C-clip is there. No. Now I will try to gut this lock. I won't try, I will rather. Aluminium plug follower. Oh, crap. So where did that go? Crap. Why I bolted this down? It's probably under. I will unscrew it real quick. What a dumb idea. Here we go. Sorry for that. So my pinning bolt. I don't find it, so I will use this. It's a ladder for a little pet. So instead of, oh no, this won't work, so I will flip them. So 1 is standard, 2 is a torpedo, 3 is standard, 4 is a torpedo, and 5 is standard. So I will just move that a little bit so you can see better. Now the helpers. Steel pin, standard. A steel drunken spool, I will show that to you in a moment. Standard. Drunken spool. And standard. Steel springs. So it maybe have too much things to focus on, so I will just grab a single one of these stack which are not standard, and I will show you, but the other ones are standard or identical to this. We'll get something black, maybe. It will help. Here we go. So thank you, Michael, for sending this lock to me. I will send it back to you with your locks. And thank you for watching, guys, and please stay legal.